Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be diving into a big update from Anthropic's Claude Code, which is a new skill feature that could outpace the metacode processor, which is the MCPs in developers' workflows. So let's break down what it is and why it might give you a real edge. So skills lets Claude Code act like a fully built-in agent in your terminal or your IDE. You can ask it to apply this skill performance reactor all controllers in project, and it understands your code base, run edits, commits changes, and integrates with your tools. Unlike many MCPs which just connect to the external data, this feature lets the model on the workflow. Now, why this might beat the traditional MCPs, you must be wondering. So first of all, the native context awareness. Code knows your entire repo and environment, not just the isolated files. The second reason would be of the direct tool invocation. So it can invoke the Git operations, test the suits, CI commands, and with skills, you tell it the skill that you want and it executes it. With skills, you don't need to build a bunch of wrappers or connect the separate MCPs manually. It is more workflow native. Now, who wins and who doesn't? So if you are a developer working across the large code base and doing the refactors, adding the features and maintaining the systems, skills can save major time and it may outperform your setup of MCPs and prompts. But if you only use simple scripts or one file tasks, MCPs might still be simpler and cheaper for now. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.